Hello lovelies, hi guys doing? Thank you so much for stopping by is Ada's recipes. In today's video I share how to make very yummy Nigerian pancake. Guys, this pancake is easy to come up with, and this pancake is not that kind of pancake that is very heavy. This is a light pancake that you and your family is going to enjoy. So continue watching as I walk you through on how to come up with this yummy Nigerian pancake. So the first thing you need is egg. Break in your eggs into a bowl. And you whisk. Add your milk. So this is a combination of powdered milk flavor and ordinary powdered milk. Add it to the egg and mix till well blended. You can as well add only milk flavor powdered or only powdered milk, but I decided to combine both together. Add your water, then mix to combine. Next to go in is your sugar, then salt. Mix, mix, mix. Sift in your flour. Sift in your baking powder. And gently mix. Until you have a smooth, lump-free pancake batter. So I added some pepper flakes. This is optional though. Mix, 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 mix. So guys, here is the consistency we want. No worries, I'm going to be leaving the measurements in the description. So heat up your pan, add in some little oil and make it spread very well on the pan. Then you scoop in your pancake batter. So this is a light pancake that you're going to enjoy. So once the top is set or off-white, you flip to the other side. Then leave for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. And guys, this is done. Set aside. You're going to repeat the same process until you exhaust your pancake batter. So this is done. Guys, are you seeing this pancake? How yummy it's looking? Are you seeing this pancake? This is a pancake recipe you want to try out. And you have, that yummy pancake you and your family can enjoy. Guys, are you seeing this pancake? It's so light and so tasty. So Nigerian pancake is a kind of snack that is enjoyed by both adults and children. So if you have children, just make this for them. Make this for your family and they are going to enjoy it. Guys, are you seeing this pancake? Are you seeing what I'm saying? It was so yummy. My children enjoyed this. In fact, they finished it. They finished it within minutes. Guys, this was so yummy, and is what you want to try out. And I bet you keep making it for your family. You can enjoy this with soft drink. You can enjoy it with coffee, tea, or whatever that works well with you. So guys, make sure you try this out. Like I said, for the recipe measurement, check the description for the ingredients and the measurements. Guys, take a look at this. And the pepper flakes took it to another level of flavor and taste. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Have a lovely day. Bye.